Hey guys, we're back. It's Johnny V back with another card opening video. This time it's part 3 of the saga that is Repacked Wax. We did stack 1, we did stack 2, now it's the stack 3. Let's see if we can get some 50s. Let's see, no whammies on Jim Edmonds. And let's get some quality cards here, okay? Let's get into it. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this product. And there it is. We start off with a 92 Bowman, Bill Gullickson. We got Al Newman. Hello, Newman. We got John Montefusco. Another Steve Garvey. This one's not painted like the other one. Let's see, Ivan Rodriguez, Pudge. This is a 92 Stadium Club. I referenced this in the previous video. 91 and 92s had the rookie card, or the first Topps card that they appeared in. Another Oil Can Boyd. Pat Borders. Lance Blankenship. Billy, my favorite Met, Buckner, right there. We got, who's that? Ron Gant. Ed Halicki. Is that the it's not the NFL red, Ed Hockley, right? That's pretty funny. Actually, Ed Hockley is probably a lot more jacked than that guy. Tommy Bongs. Now Ed Hockley's son, I think, refs now in the NFL. Joel Youngblood. Mike Greenwell and Clint Nagoti. All right. Let's see here. Let's see if stack 3 has the goods this time. We got Bob Forich leading us off here out of the gate. Look at this. Gary Geiger, 1960. Is that 60 Topps? That's pretty crazy. That's pretty awesome. I don't have any of these, but that's a pretty awesome one. Again, it's a little miscolored a little bit, but I think that's, let's move these things up. Let's do a little reset here. What kind of operation am I running here? Get Gary Geiger the spot he needs. Don Ace. Jose Mesa. We got 2019 rookies from Heritage. Amundo Sosa and Adolis Garcia. Roberto Alomar. Miguel Sano. Terry Steinbach. Tim Corcoran. Scott Servais. Larry Walker. And we got a Rudy May. Steve Rogers, Captain America. Tony Perez. Scott Kubal. And John Earthquake, sorry. John Wanier. I like the 90 Leaf. I'm also putting together hand collated set there. I did buy the Frank Thomas graded one, graded card, but I think I got I want to say a 9. But again, I 10s are just exorbitant amount of money. But again, I think for what I'm just putting together the set, you kind of want to get the best one graded. Anyway, Mike Phillips. Hey, we got a 59 coming up now. 59, Neil Chrisley. Yeah, 59. I got that one right this time. That's pretty cool. Frank DePino. Checklist. ERA, we got Jacob deGrom. Max Scherzer and Aaron Nola. Roberto Alomar. Pat Perry. Jack Armstrong. 89 Upper Deck. Gary Beer. Or Bier. Rafael Ramirez. Lenny Dykstra. Jose Canseco. Frank Tanana. Orlando Sanchez. Tony Perez. We got the checklist of the Ozman. Ozman cometh. That's pretty good. Bob Walk. Man, pretty stoked about that 60 tops. That's pretty awesome. Just doing a little reset, little housekeeping. All right, we got 6 left here of stack 3. I have a buddy of mine that kind of checks out the videos when I post them, and he's not really a big collector, but he gives me some insight of what to do, and or some ideas of what to do. And he saw, you know, the repacked wax one before, and I'll continue that story in a second. Stan Lapata, another 59 tops there. Pete Ladd, and I'm just going to go through these and highlight the more interesting ones, but I'll tell you my story. Anyway, he says, well, you know, you have a 45-minute video here, and not for nothing, I'm not really interested in all the commons and whatnot. I kind of want to only see the hits. I said, yeah. He goes, maybe you could time lapse the break. And I said, nah, people want to see what condition they are and whatnot, and they want to see, you know what I got or what we have here. Anyway, his idea was to really go through these and do kind of one stack at a time, only like 8 cards or 8 packs per break, which is pretty good. Good idea. So that way I'm not wasting your day. So kudos to him. We got 82 tops, Wayne Nordhagen 83 tops, and we got Cecilio Guante 90 leaf, and Gary Reedus. All right, 5 left. Let's go. So little anecdote in the middle of the break here, just to break that up. All righty, here we go. Luis Aquino, Paul Lindblad, 78 tops. Cecilio Guante again, but this is tops traded. Pretty neat. Is that our boy? Nope, that's Ray Langford. Thought that was Jim Edmonds for a second. Rob Arnault, Jose Ramirez. Look at this. We got Steve Carlton, 1982 tops. Wayne Nordhagen again. Terry Leach. Little 80s there run. Sandy Koufax, 150 years of tops. Bill Kruger. Jim Eisenreich. Ken Oberkfell. George Canale, and Ken Schramm, 1988 Donruss. Awesome. 4 more left. All right, come on. Let's get some more 50s and 60s here. Hell, I'll even take some 70s or like some rookies, some serious rookies, not like a Glavine rookie. Come on. All right, we got Pat Mears, Jeff Reed, Tony Gwynn 87 Fleer. That's a pretty cool one. I like that one. Gene Garber, Tony Gwynn Jr., Ken Herbeck, Steve Garvey, Adam Wainwright, Gary Lucas, Gary Carter, Larry Sorensen, Bo McLaughlin, Tim Wallach, Danny Darwin, and we got Marvin Freeman. I think that's Morgan's brother. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry, that's my nervous tick. I make up some funny stuff or, not so funny stuff. Dad jokes for days. All right, Floyd Bannister, Nolan Ryan, triple play. Orlando Hudson, Bip Roberts, Cal Eldred, Brian DuBois, Felipe Alou, Joel Skinner, Don Kirkwood, Joe Vitko, Juan Beniquez, Craig Biggio, George Wright, and we got Billy Ripken. All right. 2 more left. Again, thank you guys for joining me today with this break, and hopefully you like what you see, or enjoy kind of going through these just as much as I do. We got Jamie Easterly, Tom Pasorek, Ken Forsch. We got Chris Bootcheck, Shane Bieber, Juan Samuel. We got a rookie of Devon White here. Pretty cool. Jim Deshays. Yeah. Frank Tanana. Matt Olson. Greg Gagne. Brian Jordan. John Rabb. Reginald Jackson. And Cecil Fielder. All right, the last one. You've made it this far. All right, stack 3. Come on. Let's go. Let's get some good stuff here. Some nice vintage here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Casey Jansen. Terry Kennedy. Rick Auerbach, 72 tops. Tom Griffin. Jeff Garner. We got 1984 Diamond Kings here of John Castino. We got Cesar Hernandez. Steve Carsey. Greg Olson. Another Tony Gwynn here. It's pretty cool. It's a members-only stadium club. It's pretty neat. Billy Hatcher. Tops traded. Scott Terry. Joe Price. Jimmy Key. And Ced Landrum. 92 Upper Deck. Guys, thank you very much for joining me. Gary Geiger from 1960 tops. Pretty cool stuff there. Again, please leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about stack 3 here. And join me next time when we rip open stack 4. Have a great day, guys.